Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, today is Thursday, what I call around here D-Day. I did my weigh-in, and I actually gained 1.9 pounds, which is exactly what I lost last week. For those of you who are new with me, I am on a healthy weight loss journey, and I am, trying to get my life together. I want my numbers to look better, my A1C, my high blood pressure, everything. I just want to be healthier at this stage of my life. So I bring you these weekly updates, and I talk about my weight loss journey. And again, today I gained 1.9 pounds. So I'm not upset about it. I actually was on vacation last week. So for me to only gain 1.9, I made some right choices. Normally, when I go on vacation, it's nothing for me to gain 10 pounds. I mean, nothing. I've done it many times throughout my life. So believe me when I tell you, it's nothing for me to gain 10 pounds. So 1.9, I'm going to embrace that. I'm not mad at it. The reason why I'm not mad at it is because I ate what I wanted, basically. Every day I had bacon, eggs, potatoes, smaller portions. I had smaller portions. I didn't eat what I normally would eat because I knew I had a day reckoning coming with this scale. And again, I just want to feel better, not necessarily just the number on the scale. So I did eat what I wanted. I actually went out to a restaurant a couple times. Actually went to restaurants. I went to a place they played some nice music. Very nice. It was a live band. And we went there and I ate fried green tomatoes. I had fried chicken. I had sweet potatoes. I also had greens. And I had one more side. Oh, I had macaroni and cheese. And the restaurant gave really small portions. So that's probably the only thing saved me there. I also went to Cracker Barrel. At Cracker Barrel, I had some fried chicken. I love fried chicken. If y'all didn't know, anything with chicken, I love it. I had fried chicken, though, and I had not waffles. What's the other one? French toast. I had French toast, and it was good. I skipped the coffee that day. I also had coffee just about every day, which is not my routine. My normal breakfast consists of a smoothie. So that could see the 2 pounds right there to go from a smoothie to now I'm actually eating more solids and not a lot of it, but different varieties that I normally wouldn't eat. Like I said, since I've been doing my dieting, the bacon and all that. Bacon has fat. Smoothies don't have fat. So, so that was a couple changes. So those were a few of the things that went kind of crazy. I won't even say crazy, guys, because life is going to happen. I say that in all my videos. I want to be able to go out and enjoy my friends. And quite frankly, I probably added a little extra stress to my friends and my husband. Because I'm like, oh no. Because I'm doing WeightWatchers for those of you who don't know. I'm like, this is probably not WW friendly. This is probably not this. Oh Lord, what's going to happen on Thursday? So did I have a little panic in me? I did. I'll be honest. I really will. It wasn't like, oh, I'm just going to eat this and then I won't worry about it. No, I was thinking about this scale because I know every Thursday I come to you guys and tell you what I did for the week. So I'm sure I added a little extra stress for everybody. But that's not how dieting should be. And I don't want that to be my way of life on the norm. I'm only in week 3. So as I continue this journey, I'm hoping to just kind of know, okay, so if I eat this might be my results. If I do that, that's going to be my results, right? So some things went well, though, so I want to talk about that, too. So what went well this week while I was on vacation is I actually walked more. I averaged about 2.5 miles, 2.5 miles per day. There was a little bit, a body of water that I walked around with by myself for some me time. It was very refreshing. I'm not a person that does a lot by myself. I just always have my mom with me, whom I lost last year. My husband is always with me, so I'm not a big by myself kind of person, but I'm learning to be. That's one of my goals also, is just to be more independent. I'm very independent when it comes to doing projects and getting things done, but just socially being by myself, I'm working on that also. I'm not always having to have someone with me. I love people naturally. So for me to have people with me, it's not a big deal. I actually love it and relish the thought of, oh, I'm getting ready to go hang out with somebody. But I'm trying to work on being more by myself. So that was one of my things I accomplished this week. I walked several times by myself. I went and sat on a bench, listened to some music. I watched some YouTube videos. I just did me by myself and I enjoyed it. So I increased my walking was one of the pros that I did this week. I'm sure that helped with some of my weight and the things that I was eating. I'm sure it helped. Do I feel that 2 pounds almost that I gained back? I do. I feel a little bit more sluggish. Last week I had a little bit more umph in my step. I was moving a little faster, more, quicker. And I do feel it. 2 pounds is 2 pounds. 2 pounds of anything is heavy. And it's so funny that you don't really realize it until you start, something like this. And I knew it before. It's nothing new. But I felt that 2 pounds that I gained back. I could feel it. I could see it. I could see it in my stomach, So I felt it. I could see it. So I definitely want to lose it again, hopefully this week. I'm not going to put a number on it. Whatever happens, happens. But I do have a goal, and the goal is definitely to lose that 2. If I could lose another one with it, it'd be great. But something else that went well this week is I started really, really wearing my smartwatch. I've had it for a minute. I think I'll do a full video on it. But some of the benefits that I got from wearing it was it let me know I'm not as immobile as I thought I was. I actually move a lot. So the steps that just naturally walking through the house or walking wherever, I was averaging 300-400 steps. And I was like, really? So that motivated me. So my goal that I set in my smartphone was for me to try to achieve 5,000 per day. 10,000 per day equals 5 miles. So I'm just starting out. I didn't want to stress myself out any more than I'm already stressed. So I said I'm going to set my smartwatch for 2.5. So 2.5, for 5 miles per day. That's what it was, 5 miles. And that equals 5,000 steps. Got to get them numbers together because every number counts. So anyway, I decided to do mine that way. So I can increase my steps. So like I said, I averaged about 2.5 miles. And I did reach almost 5,000 steps a couple of the days because I realized just standing in place, I have several friends that actually do that. I've talked about that before. Every step does count. So I'm going to be doing some workout videos with you all too. I got a lot of plans for this channel. I'm just trying to implement it all and trying to get it together. So kind of stick with me if you're new. Go ahead and subscribe. We are going to do this thing together. I don't know what it's all going to look like, but I got big plans for us. As I grow, I'm going to help you to grow because what I have found too is a lot of people start channels and, they have a video that hit or something. This is going to be a long journey for me. So if you're willing to ride the wave with me and hang out, a little bit, I think you're going to learn some things about yourself as I continue to learn about myself. I think we're going to do the darn thing. And, I think we're going to see some things happen over here. So like I said before, just to recap, I did gain 1.9 pounds. It's okay. I was on vacation. I enjoyed my friends. I enjoyed my family. And it is what it is. I also did some good things though for myself. I just did me, did a little extra walking. I did make better choices though because I was on my plan. As I mentioned before, it ain't nothing for me to gain 10 pounds. I started wearing my smartwatch more. I always was tracking. The last few weeks I've been tracking very well. And now I'm even adding in my points I get for walking and stuff like that. So that adds a few more points to what I can eat daily on WeightWatchers. But I'm not going to be using those points. That's just going to be bonus. I'm not going to. So it might give you like 2 points because you walked 1,000 steps. Extra 2 points that you can eat. I'm not going to do that. I will be strictly focusing on, again, the number that they gave me, and that'll just be a bonus. So all in all, I think the week was very successful. I'm very pleased. Again, this is a journey. That means it's going to take a little while to get there. But we going to get there. It's like a long trip. Anywhere you go. They may have a few express buses or planes that take you there, but normally any long trip, Ain't no way around it. You got to go step by step, mile by mile. So this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. I do appreciate you watching. Go ahead and subscribe. We got big things coming. See you soon. Bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel. Again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you again will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.